Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can rotate shapes inside of Figma, okay? And this is actually going to work with images as well, as you can see here. So let's actually try with both of them, okay? I'm just going to insert a random shape here, which is going to be like a rectangle. It's going to be like so. And if I want to rotate it, I have actually different ways that I can do this. I can go to my design, okay? And I can just click on this rectangle and I can, look for this rotation button here, which are these two arrows, and I can start dragging across the direction that I want to rotate my shape, okay, until I'm happy with it. Okay, so that's actually the first way. Now, the second way is you can go to your design tab and you can go to this transform feature and you can increase this angle to whatever angle you want. You can do it, 40, 45, 90, it doesn't matter. You can also tap onto these three buttons here, which are gonna rotate the image 90 to the right or flip it vertically, okay, which in this case nothing happens because it's a symmetrical image. But if we try, for example, with this image, I'm going to show you right now what happens. You're going to have either a mirror image or a vertical flip. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.